Me dofopa. What to say? Me ma kwaba edeba kasa mfoni afidie wo friends and TV. Adom TV ye wadioye. Na semre mi amte dwamu amde dwumadie ho chiame edi amje so ene Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotegu. E ma ne je se onimi asi nkonwa ya e be hye hu nkran ene day. Whenever we wake up in the morning, we should see everything we go through as part of our story, instead of crying, worrying, murmuring, and complaining. And I be so what's sorry? And no man be famu biano. Young say a camabrabo and some children some watch at home. About boy, you know, a churocrat for abrabo. We are all creating a storybook. Fanwapum mudne, Fanusikasam, Fanajuma Woyo, Fanawade or in Wadisia, who create a storybook. I'm a damn kwama, Wajam and Chirima. Now abrabo aya ahwesodeɛ ama woni edi akiri se fan says kwa abafa so awade kwa abafa so abu abrabo ho eban apomodin ho ban kwa abafa so aya adwuma kwa abafa so eni nkrofo di nkita ho ni nyina ya nkrata wontintim enti de betu bia no e kan nkrata wontintim ho nyada bia na e totensa abrabo aya afrosane ebi emunchimunka ebi ebomu ebi ebiposo ni nyina ka ho ene efe no abrabo awobo na ni nyina se onya anu aduro ene ko abefa so ahia wabrabo akwanze na se nyina so na edimu awade wo hoi awara nye sabi aduhia abre biara tere bia ho abeba tere bia mpapa mu beba tere bia mentime ho ase watimi aka me beba ba mu gina no epa sa ne ma we aduro a mo se awade ede sa na adwuma so te adwumaden e makwete apa enye adwumafon enye krono enye kwantia adwumaden a nyansa bata ho ema akatiapa etisa wo ye adwuma bi na edene a eno akatia doso ebio mume nye agya se da bia ene ye nwinwi ene ye tete ene ye hanhan wo ye sa wa sa kwada wa brabo enkwada na woni tumi e kura won etibi beto wa na woni kwa befa so apa no aduro wo pane mu wanyina na sa empo ebeto na wonya no aduro ye won pani a woni afa ba bia wo semre mu abetimi akodan won na wode won suban aka won suban ho wode wa de kire ama won wa kwa animu ja ese wo twadwa so na pawe anwumre ena adwuma ani o ena ye bre o ena mi hu wan na ka kire wo wasin konwa wabu kompo ahwachi wadosukwa ko mu ehu tumi e wo mu abetimi de bubra na wajai sa se bia pinidie ni ahanhan eni sobo no. Your day came to you for a reason. Every day you can make your life better or you can create bitterness in your life. Your day came to you for a reason. And in each day you can make better decisions or you can make your day bitter or bitter. Adichi bia no ye ma kwan se samu na yi abrabo se be ya abrabo eso ani ana abrabo enyono ni nyina gina so nyame so wawade awoboyi you can make it better or you can make it bitter. Ajuma awoyoyi you can make your work look better or you can make it bitter for those who work with you. Na me de mesra wo se dia woye bia no bisa ho se e de na meyo amabrabo be dimu e de na meyo amadwuma be dimu aso ani e de na meyo amema me hukani so ani asomye na nani asomye na enegi adware ye mfie mu me yakwada ya wo me foforo e de na meyo na empo enane agya edi wo buo nya ho sepe akora me me yo mamba e de na meyo ameye ne papa na di ode abranipa enye bitterness ye mebre sori a ya no kasa ese bonyono ya ne ye te se bonyono obi ahu ya ne edwane abrabo enni ho mayesa. Life comes to you to make better decisions and choices. Life comes to you to make better decisions and habits. Life does not come for you to make it bitter. But if you don't take care, your life can become bitter instead of better. Tell yourself from today, catch your horse if you need that way, I will make better decisions and not bitter decisions. Meye sebe timopoa nyansa wom. Mefa timopoa edi enejebe dware me na obi oba me so benya enegye. Me fa timopoa edi oya bebre me na edi oya so abre obi. Abrabo wo kwan se obi bu abrabo say the first abrabo be ko so abre biara. Life goes on and you cannot stop it, but you can walk with it whilst holding on to your visions. Abrabo be ko so na pa wi na nyumre. Adechi besa adekyee bɛba adesan bɛba owia bɛba esum bɛba January bɛba ɛna September so aba December so bɛba na January sa bɛbiom yɛ kɔ yɛ anim anesa sɛ de tie bia no sɛ wotimi tra babo na wopɛ anusuade hunu ɛdeɛ na mede abrabɔ ya ɛbɛsɛ afata sɛ wonya goals ɛnɛma bɛyɛ na bere biara na wonya convictions wadwe mu pɔ ebi ɛsɛ si pɔ esita sɛ we na me yɔ a we na me ka kwan wo so na me fa me yade a mani bɛsɔ me ho na ma obi so ani agye me ho na ma brabɔ so aba mfaso ama ewiase nipa bi conviction. Don't be a person of preference. Have conviction and stick with your conviction. Create ideas and have inspiration. Na show home crying, na first suban papa, na di chimbia o de diabrabo. Said the tie biano, we are we also being show. Obi a show nessa. Na said the tie biano, abe biano, obet ate, dan kwamba. So what's so pa, what abapa. So what's so about ya womwa. I would urge you to always take better decisions and don't take decisions based on bitterness. Onyamin shirao, onyamin kan, onyamin pejao, and compensua would die so bebem. Now we are IF, I was so as I say. I had a major war, was some for Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego, and I'm new do my dear way, every Adom TV. Remember, so my senior bine and Pomia Mini Abema Thomas and Yade and a Jawa Campedu and a camera for the sound of Winnie Madame Watch chance when you compare the best Asia, Uno Yame, Entina.